Good evening, sir.
Yes. I saw some answers. Let's see. I said tell in one word now, my dear. Huh? One said exam. I didn't mention exam anywhere. One said good, attractive, fabulous, good, awesome, great, an opportunity to do accounting revision and pass papers from the best. I said explain in one word. There are plenty of words. It's okay. Thank you very much. Mind blowing. Good, sir. Attractive. Never give up. Extraordinary. But sir, truth is need 5 to 7 words to comment this. Okay. Useful. Sorry, sir. No problem. Right. So all in the game. Okay. So fabulous. Okay. Very good. So let's go to our today's lesson. Straight away, I'm going to the lesson because we have started our cash account last week. Am I correct? Yeah, we did our cash account last week. This is the last sum we did it. Cash account 3, today we are starting. Okay. This is the revision for grade 11 students, my dear students. Grade 11, from next week we are starting Tuesday. Tamil medium already started. So I think this is the last question we discussed in the class, and I asked you to send the answer before 5 p.m. last week. Am I correct? Send you a message. One person send message, yes or no? Yes mean okay. Already got. Good. Yes. Very good. Am I sharing the screen? Yes. Okay. This is the last question we discussed, right? So last week we did this question and I showed the answer. I think Akash sent the answer. Therefore, I have posted in the group to check it. I have posted in the group to check it, right? Let's check your answers, everyone. This is the answer. Cash account, capital invested by the owner. Cash, furniture won't come, I said. I explained this, right? Furniture won't come. And bought goods in cash, we say purchase. And sales in cash, sales again. Insurance paid, 6,000. Drawings in cash. Last week, I gave this question, so I'm not explaining. Straight away, I'm going to answer. You just check the answers. Is it correct for you all? And is there anyone who's absent last week? Just put your hands up, please. Did we discuss this question? No.
Sir, not these questions.
Did we discuss this question? No, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Then
No.
what is the last question we discussed? Is this? Is this the question we discussed last?
Okay.
Come on.
No, sir. Not
This
this.
also we didn't discuss.
Yes, this.
Okay, right, no problem. We discussed this, right, in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, right. I am sorry. That I my mistake. So let's this question we did last class. You're sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Give me a second. Now I am going to show you a question. This question, all of you write the answer quickly within 10 minutes time. And once you finish answering, please answer. This is the question. Quick, make it fast. Cash account, as I told you last week. What is the cash account rule? Cash received debit to cash account, cash given credit to cash account. That's the rule we learned last week, and we applied that to prepare a cash account. So cash received debit to cash account, cash given credit to cash account. 1/7/2021, capital invested by the owner in cash 50,000. So when owner introduces the capital, it comes in which side, debit or credit? Quick, make it fast. Debit or credit? Very good, very good. Debit, right? So we record that entry in the cash account debit side, right? 21st, 2021, July 2021. July 1st, capital invested by the owner in cash 50,000, cash account debit 50,000, first capital, date is must. Same day, owner invested capital furniture 30,000. Now tell me, this furniture 30,000 comes in debit side or credit side in the cash account? Quick, make it fast. Chat. Debit or credit? Are you sure? Are you sure? Very good. Okay. Some are saying credit, some are saying debit. Right. Let's see. Ashka Salih, can you switch on the mic, please? We should not smile at everyone in the road. We have to be very careful. It will cause a lot of problems. They might think us we are mad. We can't record whatever it is given in the cash account. We have some limitations, some border. Cash account means we can record only cash transaction, cash movement, cash transaction, cash movement. In other words, in simple words, if you say cash received and cash given, paid. Okay. Capital invested by the owner in cash. When owner investing capital in cash, we are receiving money, no doubt at all. So that 50,000 we have debited already, no doubt. Because owner brought money, we are receiving money. But the second case is, we are inside the business. Owner brought what? Owner brought a furniture. So when owner brought a furniture, are we receiving money? No, we are receiving a furniture. Furniture received debited to what account? Message quickly. Furniture received debited to, come on. Furniture account. Very good, very good. Furniture received debited to furniture account. Amana, not account, furniture account. So we can't debit to cash account. Number two, if owner brought the furniture, are we giving the money to owner? No. I know many of the students, they wrote this furniture in credit side like this. You send a message also, credit. Some have sent debit. Are we buying the furniture from owner? No, 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 no. Owner is the person who start the business. He brought a furniture as capital. Like money, he can bring furniture, he can bring vehicle, he can bring computer. His own furniture, he brought it to business. So we don't pay money to him. We are not receiving money from him. We don't pay money to him. So we cannot credit this furniture in the cash account. We can't debit it because we didn't receive money. We can't credit it because we didn't give the money. So it never come in the cash account. Capital invested by the owner in cash, debit side. But if owner brought anything as capital, see the word brought and bought is different, right? Brought and bought is different. Brought mean owner brought it, B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Bought mean B-O-U-G-H-T. There's R different. Brought mean owner brought it. Bought mean we pay money and buy. So here owner invested mean owner brought the furniture, first one. So we are not receiving money, we are not paying money. We are not receiving money, we are not paying money. So it never come in the cash account. Do anyone have doubt? You can ask quickly. If you have doubt, you can ask about this furniture, about the capital. Anyone have doubt? Please raise your hand if you have doubt. So you understand. Yes, Rushda, tell me. What's the problem? I can't hear you.
Where will we write the furniture?
Furniture account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it won't come in the cash account because our question is cash account, right? Our question is cash account. Right. Next one. 4th of July. Bought goods in cash. See the word bought. We bought. So we pay money. Bought goods mean we pay money. So when we pay money, it comes in which side? Cash account, credit side. What is that? Bought goods mean in accounts we used to say purchase. So we should not write bought goods. Then you are wrong. We cannot write goods. You have to write purchases. Purchase. Bought goods in cash. Bought goods mean the word we use in accounts is purchase. Don't write goods or bought goods, wrong. Purchase of good, the word goods itself we don't write in accounts. We used to write what? Purchase. Purchase. 10th of July, sales in cash. We are selling goods. So we are receiving money. When we receive money, it comes in which side? Debit side. On 10th, it is sales. This is what we discussed last week. Next, on 16th, again sales in cash. So we receive money 15, sales. What about 23rd? Debit or credit? Insurance paid is debit or credit? Quick. Make it fast. Make it fast. Come on. Yes. Yes. Good. Excellent. Rushda? Rushda?
Yes, sir.
Which side? Debit or credit?
Debit.
Why? You receive money.
Yes, sir.
But which transaction you are telling?
16th.
16th already recorded now, my dear, in the screen. I am asking 23rd. Sleepy.
No, sir.
16th already recorded now in the screen. Both sisters are there and sleeping. Okay, right. Let's come to the point. So insurance paid. We are paying money. When we pay money, it goes to cash account, credit side, cash account, credit side 6,000, 23rd insurance. Drawings in cash, debit or credit. Quick, make it fast. Come on. Drawings. Drawings. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Very good. Good. So drawings comes in credit side. Why? We are paying to the owner. We are giving money to owner. We are giving money to owner. We are inside the business. Remember that. We are inside the business. So we are giving money to owner. So it's a cash outflow. We are paying money. We are giving money. Cash going out. Therefore, cash account credit. 28 drawings. 28 drawings. So how many of you got all correct? Hands up. Those who got all correct, hands up, please. Not even one wrong. Very good. Those who got wrong, mistakes, please correct it immediately. Quickly correct it. Then I can explain the new part. Today I'm going to explain you. Okay. I think the first one, furniture, you made mistake in that. Other than that, I hope everyone got correct for everything. Right. Okay, my dear students, listen carefully. Now, one customer comes to your shop. Listen carefully. Huh? One customer comes to your shop. He bought some goods and paid in cash. He has given money. That means we are receiving money from the customer. And we have given a balance of 50 rupees to him. 50 rupees on the balance we have given him. Now, when we see he has given 1,000 rupees to us, we have given 50 rupees balance to him because 950 is the charge. Listen carefully, okay? A customer comes to your shop, bought some goods, paid in cash. We are returning 50 rupees to him, the balance. Now, the customer says, I have given 5,000 to you, but you have given me only 50. Where is the balance? 4,000. We also did not notice clearly. We are sure that only 1,000 we have received. That's what we have given 50 rupees. You know, busy time, sometime it happens. So we are wondering, is it true that the customer gave 5,000? Am I mistaken? Mistakenly, I have given 50 to him. Problem comes, right? Customer says, I have given you 5,000. You are saying, no, I have received only 1,000 from you. Now confusion. Your mind also saying, don't know whether I am lying. Sometimes customer may have given 5,000. They won't go, right? So now we have to prove that whether the customer given us 1,000 or 5,000. How can we prove? If you have all the records of the cash account, easily you can prove. If you have the records of the cash account with you, quickly you can prove. How? Cash account, we have debit side 50, 75, 90. We have total, don't draw any line, I will give you time. Debit side, if you add the total, we have received total amount 90,000 in our cash account. Credit side, if you add the total, 35, 40, 46. So if you take the debit side, the total will be 90,000. If you take the credit side, our total will be 46. That means we have received 90,000 cash during the day or during the month, whatever it is, no problem. In this sum, 1 month, right? We have paid 48,000 rupees, 46,000 rupees. Can you all understand this first? Put your hands up if you can understand what I said. Hands up. One customer says, I have given you 5,000. You are sure that only 1,000 he has given us. Now we have to prove that he didn't give us 5,000. We can bet and we can fight. So what we have to do is we just add the total of debit and credit roughly. As I add bracket, okay, debit side we add the total 90,000. Credit side we add the total 46,000. What does mean that? We have received 90,000 money. We have paid 46,000 money. Therefore, if 90,000 you have received and 46,000 you have paid, mean you must have a balance of how much? How much you have? 44,000 balance you must have. So we balance the cash account. We try debit side 90. We had the total of credit side 46. Therefore, our balance should be 44. Now, immediately you check your cash box where you keep the money, the locker. If you count the money, there should be 44,000. If there is 44,000, custom is lying. If there is 48,000, we have mistaken. Am I correct? If you have 44,000 in the cash box where you physically count, physically if you count 44,000 is there, that means customer is lying. He gave us only 1,000. He didn't give us 5,000. But if the balance physically, if you have 48,000, you have 4,000 extra. From where did he get that money? So we have mistaken. Customer is correct. Could you understand what I say? Send a message, yes or no. Why these drawings comes in credit side? Nabila, are you in the class? Nabila?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why drawings comes in credit side?
Because in drawings, when the owner is taking money, we are paying money to the owner, we are giving money. So the money is outflow.
Owner is taking money from the business. So we are inside the business. Owner is taking money means we are giving money. We are giving cash to the owner. So it is cash going out, cash given. That's what drawings comes in credit. Fatima Ashraf, could you understand what I say? Yes or no? Could you understand? Do you have doubt? Could you understand? No, no sound. What's happening? So drawings mean owner has taken money from business. That means we have given money. We have given. We have given. Therefore, we have given money. It's going out credit side. Altaf, what's the problem?
No, sir. The 90,000 and the 46,000 is been minus now.
They are 40,000, 46 no.
I mean, yeah, sir. 46.
Yeah, I have deducted. That's what 44 came.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. For deduction only, I have shown the bracket, right? I have shown you the bracket. You can see. So now this method is called balancing a cash account. Now I am coming to a very important point. Listen carefully. I'm coming to a very important point. How to balance a cash account. How to balance a cash account. I am coming to that point. What we did, Now I'm going to tell you the way of balancing. Same method, same thing. First of all, you have to draw two lines like this. Remember, while drawing the lines, you must keep a space over here. There should be a space over here. Understand? One or two lines. One or two lines, you leave it and draw the lines like this. And while drawing the lines, I have noticed students making mistake. They used to draw like this. That's wrong. This part is wrong. It should come near the double line in the debit side, and it should come near the amount in this side. Understand? So, after the amount, leave one or two lines and draw the balancing line. First mistake the student usually they do, they draw this line correctly and they draw here. That's wrong. Huh? You can't draw like that. Second mistake, see this carefully. The second mistake the students make in the cash account, they used to draw like this, 1, 2 line. Then other line, they used to draw like this, up and down. That is wrong. It should be in the same line, my dear students. It should be in the same line. Can you understand what I say? It should not one up and one down. It should be in the same line. It should be in the same line. Understand what I say now? You got the point? These two balancing lines, all of you draw this, all of you draw this. After drawings, we have to leave a space. 1 or 2 lines, you can leave it, better 2 lines. Then draw the balancing lines like this. When you draw 1, down 2 line. It's a method of balancing, my dear students. And this corner and this corner, straight to the amount. Do anyone have doubt in this? And it should be in the same line. If you put a line, my dear, you can see both are in the same line, you see? Can you see? Same line, right? Not up and down. Not like this. This is up and down, right? Should be in the same line. Remember. Right. Do anyone have doubt? It's up to you, Ismail Iftikhar. You can use pencil. You can use a red pen. You can use any other color pen. I mean a black or blue. In exam, no problem. Right. Now come to the point. After drawing this line, as I taught you earlier, my dear students, as I taught you earlier, first add the total of debit. As I am adding, you also add it same way. You can use a pencil better. You can use a pencil better. 90,000 debit side. Likewise, credit side total, it's 46. Debit total 90, credit total 46. Better use a pencil for that purpose, okay? Then roughly you deduct and find the balance. Rough one, this is a rough work. Somewhere down in a rough paper, or else somewhere you have space over here in this space. But if you show the working for the first sum clearly, show the working. Later you will ask from where this 44,000 came, sir. I have experience in that. So show this working clearly. I have shown clearly colored, different colored used. How did I get it? I use a bracket for deducting. So you have received 90,000 money. You have paid 46,000. So you have a balance of 44,000 rupees. Ready, everyone? Now, what is balancing means? Whenever you are balancing an account, remember the word that I am going to say. whenever you have a balancing question, balancing an account, if you face any problem to balance an account, you couldn't understand me, you remember the word that I am going to teach you today. That's the easiest word that we can remember and do it easy. What is balancing? Filling the shortage. What did I say? Balancing means what? Filling the shortage. Filling the shortage is called balancing. That's all. You remember this sentence, what I say, filling the shortage. Then you won't face problem, whatever the type of account given to you to balance. Many students struggling in this balancing. The reason behind that, they don't understand the basic concept, that's all. So if you can remember what I say, you can rock in accounts when you are balancing. What is balancing mean? Filling the shortage. It's a very small, tiny thing. But students in grade 10, since they are learning first time, if they won't understand the first basic, later mess up. So what did I say? What do you mean by balancing? Filling the shortage. Is that so? When you look at this cash account, we have debit 90,000. We have credit 46,000. Therefore, we have a shortage in which side, debit or credit? We have a shortage in which side, debit or credit? Quick, make it fast. Send a message. Shortage in which side, debit or credit? Grade 1 children also can say this, no? Debit or credit? Credit side. The shortage is in credit side. Therefore, we have to fill the shortage 44,000 in credit side. Can you notice where did I write the 44,000? Filling the shortage in credit side. So we are filling 44,000. Right? 44,000. In accounts, when we fill the shortage, we have to write a small sentence. It is in the short form we can write it, my dear students. We can't write any amount without information. It should be something meaningful, right? So, accept the total, accept the total. Balance carried down. Some school you may have learned balance carried forward. Both are same, no problem. B, C, D. Balance carried forward. Balance carried down. Both same, no issue. Don't worry, right? So, when you fill the shortage 44,000 in credit side, straight to that under the detail, we used to write what? B, C, D. What do you write? B, C, D. It is must to write, remember. You can understand the meaning of must, right? It is compulsory to write that B, C, D. So if you write that 44,000 in the credit side, now both the sides will be equal. Debit side total will be 90 and credit side total also will be 90 now. It will get balanced because we have filled the shortage. Because we filled the shortage. Okay. Do anyone have doubt in this up to the point? Do anyone have doubt? Please ask before. When we balance a cash account, listen carefully. Now today, 28th, according to this question, the last transaction is held on 28th of July, right? So 29th and 30th, nothing happened. So end of the month, say 30th we'll take. 30th of this particular month, you have a balance cash 44,000. Can you understand that point? That's the meaning of the first word balance. The first word balance indicates end of the month, 28th is the last transaction, 29th and 30th, we don't have any transaction, nothing given in the question. So once the month ended, usually we balance the cash account. Usually we balance every day, but every end of the month also we will balance it. So end of the month when we balance, how much cash you have in your hand? 44. We call it cash balance, right? Cash balance, right? That is the meaning of first word. Balance 44,000. Then why we write carried down or carried forward? You can say CF or CD, yeah? No problem. Both same meaning. Huh? Why we call carried down? The meaning carried down is if you have a balance 44,000 at the end of the month, 44,000, what do you do with the money? Tell me. Send your answers quickly. You are a cashier. Remember, you are a cashier in an organization, in a business. End of the month, you have 44,000 balance. What do you do with that money, 44,000? Tell me. Rushda, especially you tell me. You can understand easily. What do you do? Okay. Okay. Different answers coming. Very good. Very good. Good. Right. Okay, enough. Let's see. Very simple answer, my dear. Some are saying, take to the next month. Very good answer. Spend on the next month. So we have to take it to that time, to the next month beginning, and we have to spend it, right? Today we are closing the door. We are closing the shop. Today 30th mean you have 44,000 cash in the business. Tomorrow morning, when you open 1st of August, that 44,000 will be there. So we are taking to next month indirectly. Next one, say purchase goods for the shop. We can't use this 44,000 to purchase goods every time. We have to pay rent, we have to pay electricity, we have to give drawing, many things are there. So indirectly, what you also saying, this 44,000 we have to use in the business. Use for the business purpose. We don't give to the owner, we don't return to owner, then we can't develop the business for them. If you give to owner 44,000 and ask him to take, then next month, tomorrow morning, you have to buy some goods. Electricity bill is there, you have to pay. Again, you have to take from owner, right? Problem come. So we can't return every money every time to owner, right? Unless otherwise owner asks. Giving the money to owner, we can't give, my dear. We have to use it and use it to the next month. We can deposit in the bank, even though when night banks are closed, so morning we can go and deposit, no problem. But what is the point here? When you have a balance cash, that will be taken to the next month account. That will be taken to the next month account. That is what we call balance carried down, carried forward. Carried forward means it is taken to the next month. Right? So next month, when we begin the next month, it should be taken to the cash account. The way of balancing, listen everyone carefully. This is the point you have to understand. This balance carried down, come to cash account, balance brought down over here to start the next month account. To start the next month account, we call balance brought down. Why brought down? Last month carried, now brought. Brought, you can understand the meaning of brought, right? From last month 30th, it brought to this month beginning 1st of August. And we can continue the cash account for the month of August from here. You got it? It will go like that every month. Continuously we will prepare. We prepare the accounts for 1 month. 1 month we prepare the cash account. We will balance the account. We will balance the account. Then what happened? Again, we will take it to the balance carried down. It will come over here. Again, we continue the next month transaction. Again, we balance at the end of the next month. Again, balance carried down and brought down. Again, we continue. It will be continuing. But in our exam question, they won't give 4 or 5 months. They will give only for 1 month. So we can stop at this point. This is enough for us. Balance carried down because it is coming down. You can take in that meaning also. From 30th July to August 1st, that balance will be taken because this 44,000 will be used in the business. 44,000 will be used in the business for the next month purpose. So 30th of July, balance carried down. 1st of August, balance brought down. Carried forward, brought down also we can say. Remember, it's coming down, right? Under the line, down. It's coming down, under the line, under the double line. So balance carried down, brought down. Now tell me, do you have any doubts? You can write it now. Here we go for the next question. Yes. You don't want to write the question now. You can see the screen or take a screenshot and do it. After finishing, you hands up and start writing the question. So it saves a lot of time for you. Ready? Go ahead. Come on. Once you finish, hands up. Answer. Now I have given the question and answer over here. I will point out what are the mistakes in this. Okay. Capital introduced by the owner, 8,000 debit, very good. Bought goods in cash, you must write purchase. Don't write bought goods, you're wrong. Bought furniture for 2,000. Bought furniture for 2,000. So when you buy furniture, what do you give? You give money. So it comes in credit. But you can't write purchase furniture, then wrong. Furniture is an asset. They bought it for using in the business. Purchase, the word purchase we are using only for the goods which we bought to sell it again. So many times we have learned this in accounting equation. When we buy a furniture, we don't write stock, right? When you buy furniture, we don't write stock, right? When you buy furniture, we write furniture. When you buy stock, purchase, we use the word. So you have to write only furniture. It's not expenditure. It's a furniture. It's an asset. Sales 10,000 debit. Sales 8,000 debit. Rent 1,000 credit. Purchase again 2,000 credit. Loan obtained from Shyam. Shyam, the name must be there. Otherwise, how do we know that we receive a loan from certain person? Understand? So Shyam loan. Loan you obtain from Shyam, the name must be there. Shyam loan 5,000. Purchase. Again, commission income. I told this commission income word must. Or else you can say received commission, no problem. Received or income must be there. Loan Shyam is wrong, no, my dear. But loan Shyam. Shyam loan means you borrow a loan from Shyam. Someone's video is on. Right, next. Drawings. Cash taking by the owner. We can't write cash takings. We have to write what? Drawings 1,000. And the debit total 33. Credit total 11. So the shortage in credit side 22. Correct. Carried down, brought down. CD, BD. You see? Carried down, brought down. CD, BD. It is down, right? CD, BD. CD, BD. So carried down, brought down 22,000. Okay? Right. That's all for the day. I will send you the homework in the group. This week homework answers you can send to the other number. I will give you the number again in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Never give up.